So I am using a measuring tape to use this, so I am 2 feet away. And let's just see if this works.
Good. Your switch works.
Yay.
See? Explain to them how you're making the lights do that.
There are 2 little wires here on the back, and I tape them together to clink-a-dink, and the black one makes the...
What are the wires touching though?
The wires are touching the battery,
Mm-hmm.
and see, I'm touching the black one, it's making the orange one go. Now I'm touching the purple one, it makes the purple. I mean, I'm touching the red one, it makes the purple one go.
Okay.
Purple.
All right. Do you think this would work for a spy?
Probably. Secret spy buddies outside. Here's our message. Now, it's working.
Hello, today I have made a switch using items that can be found around the house. The items that were used are electrical tape, cardboard, watch battery, LED bulb, and aluminum foil used in place of wires. As you can see, when you close the cardboard flap, completing the circuits, the LED light comes on. This flap can be used to type out Morse codes.